Hey guys, it's Toshiko. Today I'm going to show you how to cook candied sweet potato, which is one of my daughter's most favorite snack, and it can be a side menu of your dinner. Okay, now let's start. First of all, let's steam sweet potatoes about 30 minutes, and this is the place to steam in my house. Now let's make some candy to coat the potatoes while they are steamed. Firstly, let's prepare a small pot and put 2 tablespoons of beet sugar in it. And secondly, put 2 tablespoons of mirin, aka sweet sake. I hope you guys can find it in your neighbor. Thirdly, put 2/3 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. And finally, put 1 pinch of salt in a pot. Now put the pot over the fire and simmer away to make candy. Be careful not to scorch it. Please don't miss when the dark soy sauce is little aromatic in a few minutes. The smell is telling you it's almost done. Now I'm smelling it. It's almost there. Now it's finished and you can see the bubbles here, but it will be gone when it's cooled off. One thing you can't do while cooking it is tasting it. Please never forget that, or it will burn your tongue for sure. Let's open the pot, ta-da! And see if it's cooked with the skewer. They're completely cooked, so let's jump into the next step. Okay, let's make these sweet potatoes into candied sweet potatoes. But let me keep some in a tin foil for baked potatoes or something. Here, I'm gonna cut 2 sweet potatoes into pieces with skin. Finally, I'm deep frying it in oil, and I always use pure grapeseed oil when I deep fry something. You can see if it's ready to fry with wooden chopsticks, cause you can see tiny bubbles from them when the temperature is high enough to cook.
おかえり。いいもの作ってるよ。
ってことは
なんだ。
大学芋
そうそうそうそう。
食べたい。
Actually, you don't have to wait until it's cooked, cause it's already cooked. All you have to do here is just wait until the color turns gold. Just like this. And let's reheat the candy here cause it turned solid. Here, the sweet potato are cooked just perfectly.
どうしたの？見せて見せて。
ほら、アメさん、アメさん。
うかうかなってる。
Put them into a new bowl after drain the oil and put the candy into it. And finally, mix mix mix.
何個食べる
4個。
え他にもおやつ食べてんのに。
でも
ちょっと間に合うかな、歯医者さんも行かなきゃいけないし。
何個言ってた。
はいはいはい、じゃあこんな感じで大学芋の完成です。お好みで黒ごまをかけてお召し上がりください。熱々だよ。
いい匂いする。
美味しい？バッチリだった。よかったね。はい、ということで皆さんもよかったらぜひお試しください。
撮ってたんだ。
撮ってた。